What's going on, guys? Today I have another recipe for you. It is the highly demanded protein pancake. I promise you it's the best I've figured out. So we got just all you need is 4 ingredients, but I got some semi-sweet chocolate morsels, if that's how you say that, since I need a little extra chocolate in mine. Other than that, we got Kodiak cakes. This is really the key, to be honest. It's high protein, high in fiber, a lot different than any regular Hungry Jack. We got a scoop of protein powder. You could use whatever flavor you'd like. I got a peanut butter flavored here, and then 2 whole eggs. If you're needing to watch how much fat goes in it, you could always remove the yolks and maybe even add another egg in there without the yolk. We also got pure pumpkin here. So this is what keeps it moist. Most protein pancakes, if you don't add pumpkin, or banana is another option, but that's a little higher in carbs, so I go for a half cup of pumpkin. Just in 1/2 cup, it's 10 carbs and 3 grams of fiber included in that, so 50 total calories. So other than that, let's get started here. To start, let's do the Kodiak cakes. I just need 80 grams. I get the Kodiak cakes at Target. They have a bunch of different flavors. There's a dark chocolate one, a peanut butter one. This is the healthiest one. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see how it goes. Probably going to be really good, especially with chocolate chips in it. So let's just add this in there, weigh it out. I'm doing 80 grams. You don't have to do 80 grams. You could do 50, however many you want. So let's add that in there. 122 grams, or a half cup. Protein. Good. Egg time. Here we go. Now for just 1 tablespoon of the chocolate morsels, or 14 grams. So you don't have to have these in there either, but I could fit it in my macros, so I'm going to. Might as well. Keeps me sane. Here we go. Drop one? Sure. Now just stir it up, mix it around. You're probably going to need to add a little bit of water just to help with the consistency. I like my pancakes to be a little thicker, so I probably won't add too much water. It all depends on how you like the texture. Okay, there it is, all mixed up. It's definitely got that pumpkin looking color. I promise, you can't even taste the pumpkin, so I guess you'll just have to try it out for yourself and see what you think about it. Okay, now let's throw this in the pan here. So we're going to want it at a low to medium heat for me, because it's going to be thicker, so I want it to cook all the way through. If you make the batter a lot runnier, you could probably have the heat a little higher because it'll cook through a lot faster. So the spray's almost out. Add that to the list. Okay, now we'll just add this in here. Nice and thick. I always lick the spoon. You could think that's gross, but I don't care. Hey, look at her go. Nice and pumpkin looking. It's a lot better than it looks, I promise you that. I almost lost her. Look at that. Chocolate chips coming through. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, we got her all done here. So now just top it off with, well, you don't need to add peanut butter. I need to add this to finish off my macros for the day, so I will not, the macros I give you will not include the peanut butter. Every calorie counts. Got that done. Then we got Walden Farms calorie-free syrup, which is very good, I promise. So, doesn't matter how much you put on. Put on the whole bottle if you really want. So that's that, and the macros here on this thing, without the peanut butter, of course. It is 660 calories, 48 protein, 73 carbs, and 20 fat. But you can obviously adjust it. This is a pretty big pancake, so you could obviously like make half the recipe if you need less carbs, less fat. Also, you could remove the chocolate chips. Pretty easy to do that. That's just mainly carbs and a little bit of fat. So play around with it. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Should I start calling this Mullet Kitchen? That's catchy, I think. Mullet Kitchen. So, if you think that should happen, give it a like, comment mullet, something like that. Sure, I'll get the drift. So other than that, thanks for watching. Give it a try, and I will see you next time on Mullet Kitchen.